right up, looking nice. This is the back angle. Yeah, this is the left side of the building from down right up, looking nice. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be showing you inside the first floor and the second floor and the third floor how far work has gone. So right here, as you can see, this is the first step, is the ground level. I'm showing you inside it. As you can see, this is the ground level. It's looking good. Completed. Wired. As you can see, the electrician man has passed. This is it round. This is it. The building. This is how it looks like. Looking nice. So now I'll be showing you the second floor, how far they've gone with it. So as you can see, this is the second floor, which I'll be showing you inside very soon. Right now, as you can see, I'm entering inside. As you can see, this is how the second floor looks like. Looking nice. Looking nice. Before I continue, right here is a staircase leading from the ground floor to the second floor. And also the electrician man has passed. As you can see, it's looking nice. Right before us, there's an empty space from the second floor to the third floor. As you can see, it is a staircase from the second floor to the third floor, as you can see, with right beside it the way leading to the rooms. So ladies and gentlemen, now I'll be showing you how far they have gone with the third floor and work done in it. Ladies and gentlemen, as I was saying, we are in the third step. As you can see, they are through with it. This is it, completed. So I'll be showing you into some of the rooms. As you can see, right here.